Hi, I'm Gwen. I've been a real estate agent for 25 years. But that's not who I am. So I'm here at Brenda's event today, Dr. Brenda, to learn more about how I can stay on track and move myself to the next level in my personal, private, spiritual, and financial life.
I love
So,
it. Well, Gwen, tell me what has been the number one outcome or benefit after attending the live event?
I think the number one outcome for me personally is just taking some time to really reflect inside on how I've subconsciously been perhaps self-sabotaging my growth in my business and with my family and spiritually. And now I'm going to be more aware of these little thoughts that come to my mind. And I'm going to take some steps that Brenda gave us and put them into a daily practice in my morning meditation.
I love that. So what would you say, why should someone come?
Well, I think everybody has to keep growing and learning, and I don't really know of anybody at any level of any profession or not profession. Doesn't matter what you're doing in your life. I think, don't we all need to take time to reflect and kind of realize where our mind is at and what we can do on a daily, weekly, and every second basis to keep on track? I mean, I don't know anybody that's can't keep growing.
Love that. Exactly.
It's gotta happen.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.